YouTube just released a new feature that helps creators generate millions more views and helps them take a massive swing at its biggest competitor, Netflix. But the craziest part, most creators don't even know it exists yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this new feature is, why it matters, and how to set it up for your channel. Think about what happens when you open Netflix and finish an episode. You don't go searching for what to watch next. The next episode just starts on its own, and somehow an hour later, you're 5 episodes deep without ever really deciding to keep watching. YouTube noticed that this one feature is a huge part of why people spend so many hours on Netflix. So YouTube has built the exact same system, and it's now rolling out to creators in the partner program. Once it's turned on for your channel, your videos can start playing one after another completely on their own, and the viewer never has to click a single thing. It's a genuinely new way for your content to show up across YouTube, and it comes with real measurable watch time attached to it. So here's exactly what YouTube built. The feature is called a show, so let's get into exactly how that setup process works. Open up YouTube Studio and head over to content, then click into playlists. Then find a playlist you already have that functions like a series. I'm talking about something with a clear thread connecting the videos in it. Once you've found one, click the 3 dots next to it and you'll see an option appear that says Add Show Features. Click that, and YouTube immediately begins converting that playlist into a full show behind the scenes. From there, it automatically sorts every video into Season 1, Episode 1, Episode 2, and so on, based on the order you originally uploaded them in. Although you can always go back in and manually reorder that sequence if you want the episodes to appear in a different order than your upload history suggests. Now, once you click that button and start this process, YouTube is going to ask you to make one more important decision that will shape how your entire show behaves for every single person who ever lands on it. The first option is serial, which is where episodes always play in order starting from the oldest one. And this format is built for content where each part builds directly on the one before it, like a course, a documentary series, or any kind of story that genuinely needs to be watched in sequence to make sense. The second option is non-serial, and this is the default that most creators are going to want, where episodes can be watched in any order at all and get listed newest first, which is how your channel already tends to display videos to people. If what you make is more like a recurring format where every single episode stands completely on its own without needing the ones before it, non-serial is going to be the better fit for how your audience actually watches. Subscribe if this video was helpful.